Team Happy Addons introduces the Easy Digital Downloads Purchase widget to let you design your purchase page easily. You can stylize the purchase page by adding colors and fonts and showcase the product details in a nice way. Let's see how to use the purchase widget of Happy Addons on your EDD store. Before you start, you need to install and activate the plugins on your WordPress site. Easy Digital Downloads, the free version of the Elementor plugin, and the free and pro version of the Happy Addons plugin. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and turn on the bell icon to get the notification of our upcoming tutorials. Now let's get started. Firstly, add the widget here. You'll get an overview of the widget after you add the widget. Remember, you have to complete the checkout process so that the items can appear here. Well, we're using our pre-made design to show the available options for the purchase widget. Now let's see the options one by one. Click on it and tap on the Style section to stylize the purchase table. Here, you can change the typography, border type, width color, border radius, box shadow, table head typography, padding, text, and background color, and so much more. So explore all the options one by one and apply them carefully. Click on the Advanced section to add more additional functions to the design. So this is how you can use the EDD purchase widget of Happy Addons on your WordPress site. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get more tutorials like this one and updates about Happy Elementor add-ons.